I picked up these Leviton 15 amp receptacles. This is my first time opening it up. This is a close-up of the receptacle. You have these bronze and these silver terminals, and then you also have your ground screw. I think these look great on the wall, which is the primary reason why I got them, but they're also tamper resistant. So if you look really closely in these terminals here, there's this little plate, and when you put the actual plug inside, the plate moves around. So you don't have to worry about tiny fingers or tiny things kind of entering in there that isn't an actual plug. If you're watching this, you probably know what you're doing, and you probably want a closer look of the specifics here that maybe you couldn't get from the product photos. So I'll give you that kind of walkthrough here. So these are the screws that come with it. They are about the length of the receptacle itself, and it is pretty thin. You have all the terminals that you expect. So whatever you expect for normal receptacles, you get here. But like I was saying before, the main benefit here is going to be the tamper resistant here. And if for whatever reason you want a really detailed, specific measurement, this is what you get. So this looks like it's about 4 1/8, and the width is about 1 5/16, and the depth looks like it's about 1 inch. So there it is. That's it. Hopefully you found this review of the Decora receptacle is helpful, and thanks for watching.